齐大圣和雨果打电话，齐大圣和雨果打电话，打电话 for what？ 对，打电话问 means here this is a single okay 问后续发展you know like 后续发展 you know like means later on you know like update or later on development. The word 发展 it's actually development, right? So 后续 means you know for example maybe we talk about something and then like you know we find an agreement and then like then things started, so we say 后续发展means later on you know update, later on development. So the word 发展 is actually a very high frequent word. We say like 发展的怎么样啊？I can say 你在中国发展的如何 You see, so 发展 is a very high frequent word. So it means that 齐大生和雨果打电话问后续发展。Okay, 喊雨果出去喝酒。喊 the word 喊 is to call. 喊 to call, for example, 喊 means you know speak loud. 喊 hey, see, this is called 喊。And also sometimes you know I can tell you 别喊啊，声音少一点啊，声音少一点，太吵了 means you're too noisy 啊，太吵了，声音少一点，别喊，安静安静，别喊啊，你别喊了啊，别喊。So 喊雨果出去means to go out, right? We have learned that 出去喝酒 to drink a beer, right? 喊雨果出去喝酒 means I can say 喊你的朋友一起玩，喊你的朋友 means call your friends, let's have fun together. I can say 喊两个人不够。So you can say like 喊 is also a very high frequent word. 出去 means get out. 给我滚出去。给我滚出去 means get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here, right? 给我滚出去 right? Chinese people they say when they get angry, right? So the word 喝酒 is to drink a beer. 喝 means drink. You can say 喝酒、喝茶、喝咖啡、喝东西。So 喝 is anything that is we say like the drink plus the thing, right? All right. So 后续 we have learned that 后续 means subsequently or following, or you can say that subsequently development, right? What follow? Okay, hereafter. So you see 后续。So 后续 actually like we can say, for example, when we discussing about something, so 别急，这个事儿咱们后续谈，这个事儿咱们后续再说，后续再说 means let's talk later on, right? 后续再说，先把这个事做完，这个事儿后续再说。So 后续 is also you can use it very frequently. Okay, so you can say the word I ordered to say 喊 is to shout or to yell, right? Okay, to call out. You see, I've already explained that. All right, so line 177齐大圣是喂兄弟怎么着 It means 兄弟怎么着怎么样 How is it? 兄弟 means brother. I think we have learned that, right? 兄弟怎么样 How is it? For example, you know, like we talk something, we talk 那怎么着what to do? Then what? 怎么着？你告诉我怎么着？你告诉我怎么办呢？这个事儿给我一个说法怎么着 means how to go through. How see 怎么着 So 情报解除没有 The word 情报 means alarm or alert, right? Warning. For example, like you know, 情报 we say, for example, like one, for example, maybe like you know, there's something like we you know, there's place where it's written, don't smoke, 别抽烟 right? And then you start smoking, and the bless start making noise. It says the alarm start making noise, right? So this we call 情报 right? Or maybe like you touch something wrong, and then it start making noise. So this what we call 情报. So 解除 the word 解除 it means to remove or to cancel, right? Or to dissolve, right? 解除. For example, I can say when we are talking about a contract, we say 咱们的合同解除，合同作废，作废 means just like to cancel, right? Or also you can say 解除 to dissolve, to sign the contract, okay? As I can say 房东我不想出租了. The word as you can say, we say here 后续，就可以是续费. You say the word 续 is actually the very frequent 续费 means, for example, like you continue paying like 续费. For example, 你该交费了 means you need to pay. Okay. And then you say 我下个月续费 means I will continue paying next month. 下个月续费. Okay, 续. So 续 is actually we use here like very frequently. So 请报解除了没有？解除 means removed. I say 合同解除，合同作废。So 房东 so that's what I was explaining. 房东就是和房东特里，嘿，下个月要不要续租？续租 means do you want to rent for next month? You tell him 我不续租了，我要终止合作啊，我要退费。You see? So and then line 177, Yugo says I means yes. You see 请报解除了没 Actually, what is 请报解除了没有 It means that the word 请报 it means when you have big problem. Sometimes you go close because 请报解除 means the alarm is off because Yugo has a problem, right? All right. Line 179, 吉大山 he say 行了。哎呀，行了。Chinese people they always be like 行了。Okay, 行。Sometimes when you are talking like about the price, about something, say 便宜点，太贵了，老板可不可以再便宜点 ？And then the guy will tell you 行，哎呀，行。So 行 is alright, right? 行了啊，可以了，好，行了。So and then 雨过。See, 雨 is means 下雨了 It's actually raining. So it means like when you have a problem, so 雨过 means after it stops raining. That means after your problem is solved. 雨过 okay, 雨过天晴 means when it becomes sunny. When the situation is solved. Okay. 雨过天晴 means the sky cleared after the rain. That means when the problem is solved. Okay, 天晴出来 means to come outside. 整两杯 in here means drink 2 glasses. For example, 这个事儿咱们一起整一下 means let's solve it together. Let's do it together. 整一下 means do. The word 整 means do. For example, okay, 这个事儿我真不知道怎么整 This thing I don't know how to do. 哎呦，你看这个事你怎么整的啊？你看这个是你怎么整的 You see how you do this thing, how you manage this thing, right? 怎么整 And then when you get angry, 怎么着啊？怎么着 Okay, so 整 actually mostly people on north of China they use that. 整两杯 means drink 2 cups of beer. 咱们整两杯it means 喝两杯 is the same. 整两杯喝两杯 is the same meaning. Okay. 哎呀，我不知道怎么整。I don't know how to do. 我不知道怎么整。Okay, and then he say, continue, he say, 俗话说 The word 俗话说 means there's a saying, okay, or there's a proverb or something. 俗话说得好 The word 说得好 means good saying. Okay, again, for example, you tell me something, and the thing it makes sense to me. 说得好，你说得好，说得太好了说得太好了。There's good saying of proverb. I think this is this phrase. It can be together like this way. Okay, there's a good proverb says, or there's good saying, well says, like that. 俗话说得好。Okay, 俗话说得好。The word, and then he continues saying, the word here, it means one minute. 以醉且千愁。以醉 means when it's get drunk. 以醉。the word 解 it means 解决 for example 解决问题 solve the problem. So when is you get drunk 解千愁 means when is you get drunk 1000 problem is solved because you will forget about it, right? That's what the meaning. 以醉解千愁 Alright, 好 and then he say 我老地方等你，我老地方等你。I think we have learned that 我老地方等你。I'll be waiting you the old place. OK， 行了，大不了，行了 ，All right， 大不了，这回我请客，大不了。In the worst scenario, I can say 大不了，我请客。也是，哎，行了，行了，大不了，这回我请客。OK， fine. Because he's telling to Hugo that, fine, in the worst scenario, today is my treat. Fine. This is the mean, okay? This is the mean. 大不了 means in the worst scenario. For example, 大不了我不来，大不了我不看。So 大不了 actually it's very high. You know, Chinese people actually use very frequent 大不了。So 这回 means this time. 这回 means this time. 我请客 this time it's my treat. Okay? 成吗？成 it means all right 成 and then Hugo says 那行吧 and then all right 那行吧 Okay, line 181 齐大声是德行 see you 哎德行看你的德行 see your manner see your behavior. You know, this is what actually we use when when we want to tell somebody you do something bad, 看你的德行，看你的样子，看你的德行。This see yourself, right? 德行，我挂了啊 See you. All right. And line 181, Hugo says, 你饿吗？ Are you hungry? 你饿吗？ And then 夏天 says, 饿。All right. So this one we start with here. 饿。I'm so hungry. 我饿了，我太饿了。哎呀，饿得不行了 means I'm just starving. 我饿得不行了。我饿得不得了，我饿得不得了。I'm starving. 我不得了。Too much hungry. 饿得不得了，我太饿了。So all right. So we stop here for now.